Welcome to how to zoom out iPhone screen. In this video we are going to show you how to zoom out iPhone screen. So for this, first of all, you need to make sure that the settings are turned on. So you will go into the settings, and then from here basically you can see that we have this option where it says accessibility. So just tap on this one, and we have the second option, zoom, and right now it is turned off. In need to zoom in and zoom out, you need to turn on this option. So tap on zoom, and then basically you need to to- toggle the zoom option on. So just tap on this, and now you can see that we have our iPhone screen zoomed in. So how you can basically zoom out? So the first thing is you just turn this off, and we are good. And the second option is basically what you're gonna need to do is you need to basically double tap with your three fingers, okay, not two fingers, with your three fingers, okay. So use your hand and the first three fingers, so double tap with your three fingers, and you can see that we have zoom out. Now again double tap, okay, and then it will be zoom in. As you can see that we can zoom in, and we can basically drag it with our three fingers as well, okay. So that's how you can basically turn zoom in and zoom out. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I will meet you in the next video.